Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace Honda Civic shocks. First, gather all your necessary tools, including a reliable jack, sturdy jack stands, and a complete socket set. Make sure you have your new shocks ready, along with any new mounting hardware or bushings. Safety is paramount, so always lift your Civic securely and place it on jack stands before you begin any work underneath the vehicle. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now let's get those old shocks out. Begin by loosening the lug nuts, then safely remove the wheel from your Civic. Next, carefully disconnect any brake lines or ABS sensors that might be clipped to the shock assembly to avoid damage. With those clear, you can proceed to unbolt the upper and lower shock mounts. If you're working with a strut, you'll need a spring compressor to safely manage the coil spring before removal. Take your time with each step. With the old shock removed, it's time to install the new one. Start by guiding the new shock into its upper mounting position. Once aligned, secure the lower shock mount bolts, but don't fully tighten them just yet. Remember to reattach any brake lines or sensors to the new shock body, ensuring they are routed correctly and securely fastened. Finally, and this is crucial, torque all bolts to the manufacturer's specified values. This ensures proper function and safety for your Civic. You're almost done. Reinstall the wheel, making sure the lug nuts are tightened correctly, then carefully lower your Civic off the jack stands. Once on the ground, it's important to take your car for a test drive to ensure the new shocks are functioning properly and there are no unusual noises. After any suspension work, it's highly recommended to get a wheel alignment to maintain optimal handling and tire wear. Also, check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. They're worth it.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.